Hey everybody, it's Ty from K2 Data Science and Engineering. In this video series, we will dive into building a simple blogging analytics dashboard in Python. It's always helpful to work on side projects in a business context. So let's take a look at a hypothetical project brief. Imagine you're working at an early stage startup. Your company is ready to launch a blog to educate the public about your product. One idea would be to check out the blogs of your competitors. You can see how often they post and what topics they talk about. Now you can easily do this manually, but let's say we wanted to regularly monitor the blogs of your 3 closest competitors. Here we can use Python to create an automated pipeline that would pull down the latest blog articles every week and analyze the content. We can display the information on a simple dashboard and use those insights to properly launch our own blog. Let's check out what this pipeline would look like. Here's the basic pipeline that will serve to prototype our idea. We'll start by using the request package to download the blog articles. Then we'll parse the content using the beautiful soup package. After that, we can use the Python standard library to compute fundamental analytics of the blog. At this point, we'll simply export the data to JSON files. For the dashboard, we'll use a simple Flask app to serve and present the aggregated data. If you want to follow along with the entire series, you should have an intermediate command of Python and be able to pick up new packages. You should also understand how web development works. I'll provide brief introductions about new concepts and packages, but I won't have time to fully explain everything. It's always helpful to take a look at the end result before you get started. Here is the basic dashboard. We have the number of articles written. Then we have the average reading time of all the articles. Then we also have a list of the top 10 categories and top 10 authors. So this would be helpful in planning which topics we want to write about, and then also seeing who is writing articles for our competitors. Is it in-house staff, or are they using other writers that we could possibly hire for our blog? And then on the bottom we simply have a chart that's made with the JavaScript library, and this simply shows the weekday frequency. So what days are they posting their articles on? Of course, there are so many other metrics that you could examine, like average article length by category, or we could even bring in social media metrics like Twitter shares to gauge which topics are popular. But for now, we'll keep it simple. That does it for this video. In the next video, which will be published tomorrow, we'll discuss web scraping, the blog we want to scrape, as well as HTML and CSS.